Morning everyone. So today in EVS we are going to learn the first chapter of your textbook, that is knowing myself. Okay. So in knowing myself, what we will read about ourselves, like our body parts, sense organs and all. Okay. So we are going to learn about it. Now quickly open your textbook. I believe the page number is 5. Okay, so you can open the textbook. Now let's quickly go through with our body parts. Okay, so what are the body parts we have? We have head, we have hair, we have eyes, nose. Very good. Come on, keep on saying. Ears, tooth, mouth, neck, then chest, very good. Arm, elbow, very good. Stomach, hand, fingers, knees, legs, foot and toe. Alright. So there are different body parts we have. Okay. Now every body parts has their own function. Okay. So now how what are the functions they have? Like if I talk about ears, so we can ears we can hear the sound of the of anything, okay, with our ears. Let's talk about eyes. So eyes, we can see everything with our eyes. So now if I say like uh, whenever we feel something, we can feel, we can sense everything with particular organs. These are called sense organs. Okay, what are they called? These are called sense organs. Now let's learn about our sense organs. Okay, so five sense organs we have, right? So which is the first picture? First picture is of eye. So what we do with the eyes? We see with our eyes, right? Down the next picture, what is this? This is ear. So what do we do with our ear? We hear the sound with our ear. Okay. Now the next picture is of tongue, right? Inside your mouth, tongue is there, right? So we taste our food with the tongue. You do one thing, you take a small or a little salt in your hand. Okay, why we are talking about tongue, I will tell you. So when you are about to eat that, automatically your tongue will come out, right? So that's the sense organs. This is because why? Because we can only taste the food with our tongue. So because we can taste our food with our tongue, this is the reason we call it as a sense organs. Okay. Now next, what is this? This is nose. What do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. Okay. Now what is this? This is skin, right? Hand is okay, but skin, what do we have all over the body is skin. Now what do we do with our skin? With our skin we can feel anything, right? If it is soft, hard, right? So uh, suppose if we close your eyes, can you see? No. So these all sense organs are very important for us. Okay, so how many sense organs do we have? We have five sense organs. And what are the sense organs? Sense organs are eyes, ear, tongue, nose and skin. Okay, now next, what are the functions of the other parts of the body? So with hand, we usually usually we use hand for to defend ourselves. Somebody's something is happening, so we need to defend ourselves. Okay, so for that we use our hand. Now why do we use our fingers? Fingers we basically use to hold the pencils or spoon or plate, right? So this is the reason we use fingers, right, along with our palm, right? Now why do we use our feet? Feet usually we use to stand, to walk, to run, right? If your feet is not there, nothing will happen. Nowhere you can go, right? You can only sit at one place, right? So then, now, what is this? These are teeth. What do we do with our teeth? We chew our food with our teeth, okay? So if teeth are not there, so how would we chew? We can't chew our food, right? So that's why our body has teeth in our system, okay? Now why do we use, what do we use, what is the use of the neck? Neck is usually used, we use neck to so that we can keep, see, do like this, look left, right, up and down. How do you do that? We do it with our neck. Okay, so neck is also very important of our body. So now with the help of your parents, you are going to do all the questions that is written right below this in your textbook. So what do we do with your hand, with your foot, with your feet, with your fingers? So you will all write in the textbook. And if you don't, if you have any issues, if you have any doubts, you can call me, okay? Or you can tell me in the next class. All right. So for today, this all things we were about to learn. Okay, then bye all of you, and please learn all the sense organs and the body parts. Learn the spellings. I will ask you in the next class. All right. Okay. All right. Chalo. Bye.